Benefits of using the Professional Learning Passport for professional development is that you can constantly monitor your progress throughout the year and identify targets and areas for improvement. With such a high-paced job role, it's often hard to find that time to really reflect on how you can improve your practice. And this gives you the opportunity to do so and then monitor and see your progress. This has been really beneficial for me in teaching, especially going in to do my Masters this year. It will allow me to access all of that different educational literature and apply theory to practice and be a research-informed practitioner. It makes me really excited for my future career and the future prospects that it has.
Working as a primary school teacher is incredibly busy, but the most fun that you will have. I would definitely recommend the Professional Learning Passport. Teaching is such a busy job, and there's lots of thinking about the children and thinking about how they're developing and their own progression and how they're moving forward. Your development is just as important, and being the best teacher that you can be, it's the opportunity to sit down and just kind of get your thoughts in order. They train you to reflect. Having that to refer back to is a really useful resource to have.
I intend to continue using the Professional Learning Passport as a highly sustained and effective practitioner. You may think that your practice as a teacher is beneficial, but unless you're truly reflecting on it, how can you be sure? And it's really going to be a log of your development within your career. Put as much effort into it as you can and do this consistently. Following the Professional Learning Passport is going to help me reflect on my own abilities and collaborate with others to make sure I'm doing things correctly.
Credu'r peth gorau am weithiau gyda phlant yw eu hegni nhw. Gymaint o frwdfrydedd yn nhw I ddysgu, ac mae hwnna'n ysbrydoli fi fel athro. Manteision y PDP yw gallu gweld sut ydych chi'n gallu gwella fel athro. Pa safonau ydych chi angen gweithio arni? Byswn ni'n argymell y PDP brofiad gwerthfawr iawn.
PLP provides us with an opportunity to have our own space to be able to collate and keep and record our continuing professional development. There's very few portfolio platforms out there which are just personal to you. They can take that portfolio with them wherever they go throughout their career. But I was using it for a teaching and learning platform as well, and even though it wasn't designed for that, it can be adaptable and to be able to be used for other purposes.
The rewards you get from seeing your pupils achieve so much, and also just being able to actually transfer some of your passion for your subject to them is a massive responsibility, but it's something that I really enjoy and I cherish. It's just a really fantastic tool to use in your teaching. It allows you to reflect and share your learning experiences. I would definitely just recommend it, not just to NQTs but also all teachers.